Hello friends, Philately of India of the year 2016. A selection from our collection. International Fleet Review 2016. A naval fleet review is a long-standing tradition of navies world over. Assembling of warships without any belligerent intentions is the norm. India will play the host of Visakhapatnam. The National Archives of India is custodian of the non-current records of Government of India. It is the biggest repository of the non-current records in Southeast Asia. It is rightly said that National Archives of India is the memory keeper of the nation. The institution's earlier name was Imperial Records Department. The occasion of the stamp is completion of 125 years of the institution. Tata Power, the largest integrated power company. Tata Power commenced its journey of electric power generation and distribution in the year 1915 at the place Khopoli in Maharashtra. The 12 stamps completely describe the various postures of Surya Namaskar. Gratitude paid to the sun combined with physical fitness. Tadoba Andhari National Park and Tiger Reserve. Tigers and many other animals have now become conservation dependent species. Let us respect their existence. 4 stamps to commemorate 31st Olympic Games hosted at Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. India bagged 1 silver and 1 bronze. 6 ornamental stamps of orchids. Indian metal crafts appear on 6 stamps. The artifacts are Surai made in iron, Natraj made in bronze, Pandan made in copper, an incense burner made in brass, spouted lota made in silver, and Gajalakshmi made in gold. Varanasi city. The ancient city is built on banks of Ganga. It is considered as a religious and cultural capital of India. Also, the city is known for the notable seat of education, the Banaras Hindu University, founded in 1916. Salute to the unifier of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 6 stamps on the theme Exotic Birds. Raja Vikramaditya. Though there seem to be a number of historical or legendary characters of the name Vikramaditya, the Vikram Samvat that was started in 57 BC is certainly an invaluable legacy and a symbol of astronomical and horological heritage of India. The title or the name King Vikramaditya appears in literary works as Katha Sarit Sagar, Brihat Katha Manjiri, Sinhasan Battishi, and Vetal Panchvishi. Legendary Singers of India. 10 legendary singers on 10 stamps. Thank you for keeping company of Vishwas Joshi. Like, share and subscribe.